Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about the golden rule of interpretation. Now, the golden rule of interpretation was propounded in the case of Gray versus Pearson by Lord Wensleydale in the year 1957. This is why it is also known as Wensleydale's golden rule. This rule is the modification of the literal rule. The golden rule modifies the language of the words in the statute of successfully interpret the actual meaning of the legislation. It takes into account the context in which the words are used so that justice can be done to the intention of the legislation. It is to be noted that the rule can be used only when the language of the statute is ambiguous or grammatically incorrect. Thus, the judges need to be extremely careful with their interpretation and only exercise these powers when it is absolutely necessary. The golden rule can be applied in a narrow and a broad sense. Number one, narrow approach. This approach is taken when the words in the statute are capable of multiple interpretation. Through this approach, the judge is able to apply the meaning which is clear and properly portrays the true intention of the statute. This approach was used in the R.V. Allen in the case in the year 1872. Now, coming to the broad approach, this approach is taken when there exists only one possible interpretation of a word. In some cases, the meaning might cause absurdity. In order to avoid this problem, the judges can use this approach to modify the meaning of the word, but this modification should be limited and shouldn't deviate from the actual intention of the legislation. In Re Sigworth, Bedford versus Bedford in the year 1954, this approach was used. The golden rule of interpretation is the second step after the literal rule. As we have discussed, the literal rule would apply only when the plain meaning of the word gives justice to the intention of the legislation. When the literal rule fails due to the existence of multiple meanings of a word in the statute, the golden rule is applied. I hope you are pretty much clear with the golden rule of interpretation. If not so, then do let me know in the comment section given below regarding all your doubts and queries, so that I can clear up all your doubts and queries about this particular rule in my next session. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.